The Clockwork Seed. The story opens on a breathtakingly beautiful but eerie forest. Massive, twisted trees stretch toward a deep violet and orange twilight sky. Heavy fog rolls across the ground, weaving through patches of glowing, bioluminescent mushrooms and moss. Everything is frozen in time, no wind, no rustling leaves, a complete and heavy silence. Pip, a 10-year-old boy with messy brown hair and an oversized dark coat, stands in the center of the path. He looks around, his eyes wide with a mixture of awe and caution. The only sound is the faint, hollow crunch of his boots on the crystalline grass. Time is a gift we never see. But deep within the whispering woods, time didn't just pass, it stopped. Pip steps off the path and approaches a giant, gnarled tree stump. Inside a hollow groove at its base sits a strange object, a golden, metallic pod that looks half organic seed, half clockwork mechanism. Intricate gears spin slowly inside it, casting a warm, pulsating golden light onto the surrounding blue moss. A low, rhythmic, magical heartbeat sound begins thumping from the seed. Pip drops to his knees, his face fully illuminated by the golden glow. Trembling with a mix of fear and curiosity, he slowly reaches out a single hand. The moment his fingers touch the cool metal, the gears accelerate. A sudden, violent rush of wind blasts through the trees, and a loud, echoing tick-tock resounds through the valley. To wake the seed is to start the clock. But time caught in a bottle longs to break free. The surrounding forest begins to warp. In a time-lapse blur, nearby flowers rapidly bloom, wither, and turn to dust in seconds. Pip gasps, quickly snatching the heavy clockwork seed up and tucking it securely against his chest. The atmosphere shifts instantly into a high-stakes suspense sequence. The twilight sky goes pitch black. The once beautiful forest turns hostile as the gnarled roots begin to look like clutching claws. From the darkness behind Pip, the shadows come alive. Smoky, terrifying shadow tendrils stretch out like reaching hands, twisting through the trees to reclaim the artifact. Aggressive, fast-paced orchestral music kicks in, driven by a frantic percussion section that sounds like a runaway stopwatch. Pip sprints for his life down the dark, twisting path. Dirt and glowing moss kick up from his heels. He looks back over his shoulder in terror, gripping the brightly glowing golden seed tighter to his chest. The shadows are gaining on him, snapping at his coattails. Suddenly, Pip bursts through the tree line and onto a barren hill. At the summit stands a colossal, dead oak tree with a massive, gear-shaped hollow in the center of its trunk. He runs out of ground. The smoky shadow tendrils swirl up around the hill, completely surrounding him and blocking out the sky. They rise up, preparing to strike as the ticking sound reaches a deafening, frantic crescendo. It's not meant to be hidden. It's meant to grow. With a final burst of courage, Pip leaps forward. With all his might, he slams the glowing clockwork seed perfectly into the gear-shaped heart of the dead tree. Instantly, a cataclysmic, blinding dome of golden light explodes outward from the impact. The dark shadows let out a silent screech and recoil violently, dissolving into mist as the wave of light washes over the hill. A deep, incredibly resonant, beautiful chime echoes out, like a massive, melodic cathedral bell. The chaotic music fades, replaced by a serene, utopian orchestral swell. The dead tree undergoes a miraculous transformation. Golden clockwork gears, permanently integrated into the ancient bark, begin to turn smoothly and effortlessly. A rush of life surges through the branches as vibrant green leaves burst forth in hyperspeed, creating a massive, lush canopy. The sun rises warmly over the horizon, bathing the entire landscape in a brilliant, peaceful morning glow. Wildflowers quickly carpet the hill. Pip stands at the base of the magnificent tree, his coat gently swaying in a warm breeze. He looks up in pure awe at the harmony of nature and time working together. Birds take flight from the branches, soaring into the bright morning sky. Time cannot be hoarded, nor can it be feared. For when we let it flow, life beautifully finds its way. A single green leaf drifts down from the canopy. Pip catches it in his hand and smiles as the music swells into a final, emotional chord, fading out into the gentle, steady, and healthy ticking of the forest. Fade out.